this video, we are going to evaluate the integral of x times e to the x dx. So first, we need to figure out what method to use. It looks like we can't really use u substitution because there's not anything very useful that we can choose as u, but let's try integration by parts. Integration by parts tells us that the integral of u times dv equals uv minus the integral of v du. So I like to remember this as uv vdu, uv minus the integral of v du. So now let's choose our u and our dv. So I'm going to let u equal x, which means that dv needs to be the rest of it, so e to the x dx. Now, if u is x, then du is dx, and if dv is e to the x dx, we have to take the antiderivative of e to the x dx to find v, and by doing so, we get that v equals e to the x. And now we're ready to use this and use our integration by parts. So we have that the integral x e to the x dx, where this is u and this is dv. That should equal u, which is x, times v, which is e to the x, minus the integral of v, which is e to the x, times du, which is just dx. Now we can simplify, so we have x e to the x minus the integral of e to the x dx, which we saw is just e to the x, and since this is an indefinite integral, we add c. And that is our final answer. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe so I can make more content, and if you have any problems that you'd like to see answered, feel free to email them to ashmath1729@gmail.com.